Hey friends, I just want to give a quick progress report on this diet system I've been following called the 4-week diet, created by the famous weight loss consultant Brian Flatt. Just over 4 weeks ago, I was invited to a wedding that's going to take place in a couple of days from now. When I got the invitation, I went to go try on my fancy dress that I usually wear to special occasions like weddings, but I couldn't believe it. The dress didn't fit me. I couldn't even do up the zip on the back. I clearly put on some weight. So I immediately jumped on the scale to weigh myself, and I found out that I packed on 18 pounds over the last few months. I was shocked. I couldn't believe I gained so much weight without even realizing. I immediately started searching for solutions online for how to lose weight quickly. There was no way I was going to spend hundreds of dollars buying a new dress. And plus, I wasn't happy with what I'd allowed my body to become. After searching through dozens of websites, all promising to help me lose weight fast, I finally found the solution: the 4-week diet. The site promised more than what I wanted. At least 32 pounds of body fat gone in just 4 weeks. I was slightly skeptical at first since I've tried numerous diets in the past with no success. But the site offers a 100% money-back guarantee if you're unhappy with it for any reason. So I thought, what the hell? And I signed up. The 4-week diet is divided into 4 handbooks, which each tell you the elements needed to rapidly lose weight. It shows you exactly how much of certain foods you need to eat every day based on your current body weight, and how much exercise you need to do, and everything in between. It's basically a customized program designed just for you. Don't worry though, it doesn't involve diet pills or shakes, juices, or any trash like that. Instead, it tells you the specific superfoods that help your body rapidly melt away unwanted fat with some light exercise on the side. And the best thing of all, it really works. I didn't know 90% of the information before. For example, I learned when the best time to drink water is if you want to lose weight, and when you should sleep, what kinds of exercises burn stomach fat, and even the types of vegetables that you should avoid. I'm just coming to day 28 now, and I couldn't be happier. I weighed myself this morning, and I am down 20 pounds from where I started. I'm incredibly happy with the diet. My dress now fits perfectly, and I look better than I have in a long time. My friends and family are starting to compliment my new appearance, and they don't even know that I've been on a diet because it's really been that easy. If you're in a situation where you really want to lose weight quickly, you need to check out the 4-week diet. I lost 8 pounds in my first week on the diet alone. Just go check it out. I promise you won't be disappointed. It was good talking to you guys. I'd love to hear about your experience with the 4-week diet.